I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the keyboard, cable, and any USB MIDI interface are ready. Plug the keyboard into the Mac and power it on. Once done, open Logic Pro and navigate to Logic Pro Settings or Preferences and select MIDI. You do this first because Logic needs to detect hardware before assigning channels and ports. Make sure the keyboard is class compliant or the correct driver is installed. Once Logic shows device activity, you're ready to assign it as an input. Now configure Logic to receive and use MIDI. Open Audio MIDI Setup or Logic's MIDI Studio to ensure the keyboard is enabled and named, then create a software instrument track in Logic. Set the track's MIDI input to your keyboard's port or to the Omni option if you want all channels. Adjust the channel number if you use specific zones, and set the I/O buffer size in Preferences Audio for lower latency. Turn on software monitoring so you hear virtual instruments while you play. Finish by mapping physical controls and testing. Use Logic's Smart Controls, the Controller Assignments window, or the Transform Learn feature to map knobs and wheels to plug in parameters. This lets you shape sounds in real time. Save a project template with your preferred track and routing to speed future sessions. Record a short take to confirm MIDI notes and velocity transmit correctly, then play back. If something fails, check the cable, MIDI channel matching, and audio buffer size as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.